Hello dear subscribers, today I will tell you how you can fix your error when your touch on your screen on iPhone doesn't works. So how you can fix this error? So first thing you need to try is just to restart your phone. So just keep holding power button until you will see here slide to power off. So just slide to power off and just successfully restart your phone. So if your phone then just click on power button, and just power on your phone. So if your phone successfully load and the sensor doesn't work again, touch screen, so just try another way. Just try to do hard force restart. So just keep holding power and low volume button, these two buttons. So just click on it, press these two buttons until you will see here Apple logo. So just wait until you will see Apple logo. So now just release your fingers from these two buttons and just wait until it will successfully restart your phone. So I hope that this method will help you. So I tell about iPhone 7, an example of iPhone 7. That's why if you have another model, you maybe need to press on another combination of buttons to make force restart. So just find in Google what combination of buttons you need to press to make force restart. So just find this info. So thanks for watching, have a nice day, subscribe to my channel, click like, and goodbye.